John Adams here at TRE Energy. We're here with a recent customer, John Blair's dairy farm outside Larne. John has on site 50 kilowatt of solar PV, 80 kilowatt wind turbine, 75 kilowatts of battery storage with 3 15 kVA Victron Quattros. John runs over 99% off grid, independent from the NIE, forming his own microgrid. In the last 5 months since installation in October 23, John has used 97,833 kilowatt hours of electricity, 99.1% of those coming from the solar and the wind turbine, utilising the battery to level out the peaks and troughs in this power consumption and to match the very nature of renewables to the demand profile required here on site.